Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a free and easy to use tool for creating a campaign URL with parameters that can be tracked in Google Analytics. After we create the URL, I'll also show you how to shorten the URL and create a QR code. Let's get started. First, go to the URL posted in the description below, and in the left column, you'll see the required fields for the parameters needed to create the URL. If you have a question about what the field's asking for, you can hover over the question mark to read a description. So you're going to copy and paste in your website URL where you want people to be directed. Next, the campaign source is where your traffic's coming from. So here's an analogy. Let's say you're taking a road trip. Your source is where you're starting, and if you're driving, you'll be using a car as the medium. So, in more of a direct reference that you may be using, your campaign source may be from Google, an individual website, or a platform such as Facebook or Instagram. The campaign medium is how your traffic arrived. So in this case, I'm going to type in social. And for the campaign name, you want that to be specific to a promotion or a product. So let's say 3D model. And optionally, here are some other fields. Make sure you've filled in all the required fields, and down here is your campaign URL where you can easily see and double check the information you've entered. You can see the URL is quite long, so what we're going to do next is copy the URL and go to tinyURL. Here's where you're going to paste in your long link, and you can customize the shortened URL here. You can create a free account, which will allow you to track and save multiple URLs you create. Now click Shorten URL, and if that URL is available, we can copy it, and we can also click on QR code to download the QR code. In another video, I'm going to show you how to find the tracked campaign in Google Analytics. If this video helped you out, please like the video so others can find it, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Take care.